Did you know, in the average time it takes a crew member to complete a conventional paper check sheet, she could have completed her inventory check, verified her assets, reported on vehicle maintenance, and provided notifications to supervisors using Operative IQ? If your operation uses paper check sheets, odds are you are familiar with the paper nightmare. They lack accountability, provide no link to operations management, are often illegible, and subject to being lost or misplaced. Paper also makes it difficult to seal an inventory cabinet, which can greatly reduce inspection times. It also makes it nearly impossible to report on item expiration dates and lot numbers, which are critical to risk management. Operative IQ's solution is an electronic check sheet capable of inventory management, asset verification, and fleet inspections. It helps you gain the required visibility to your mobile supply rooms, where up to 80% of inventory resides and expiring items incur the most risk. It allows you to verify the location of equipment using a simple check-in and check-out process that saves you time, as well as integrate your vehicle inspections with your fleet maintenance schedule to report mileage, hours, fuel costs, and damage to keep your most expensive assets ready for service. The check sheet is the supervisor's window into the daily readiness of the operation to respond to an emergency. Ditch the paper nightmare and put power and accountability in the hands of your crew. Connect them to your operations managers with Operative IQ's electronic check sheet. Request a demonstration today.